Do you know how to write those answers? Like, could you tell me the structure?
For a student who are following business and industrial law or business law, it is extremely important, and if you want to score well, it is extremely important that you know how to answer the paper, because studying is your thing. As students, I totally know, I totally believe and have faith in my students that studying comes naturally to you. Studying has never been the problem of my students, but what has been a problem is actually constructing an answer. Why did I say constructing an answer, not writing an answer? ලියන්න ඕනේ කෙනෙක්ට පුළුවන්. Writing is not a big deal. It's the way of constructing. හරියට puzzle pieces ටික එකතු කරලා ලස්සනට constructing is what matters. You have to construct a nice answer. But it's not all about it. There are a few more tips that I would want to impart as knowledge. Guru mushti නැතුව අද දවසේ මේ workshop එකේ I would like to give many points that will help you all to study and get ready well. Not just study, but get ready well for the business law exams that are coming. So, as Gurudeva said, this is a wonderful opportunity. All right. So welcome to our very first precision workshop. As the name suggests, this is about being precise. Precision is what matters when you're constructing an answer. Anyone can write answers. Let's learn how to construct a proper answer for your business law paper. How can I make law is not that bad? Structure. How to answer case study questions, problem questions. Do we need to back our answers with case law? Case laws are so hard to memorize. Case laws are so hard to understand. How are we going to do this? Are there going to be MCQs? Are there going to be short answer questions? How to manage time in a paper? Good God, that's the most problematic problem, I guess, most of you have. How to manage time, because when I start writing, I feel like I want to write more. I understand that. I know that feeling. As a student, I have had that feeling too. How to answer essay type questions. How to identify the area of the question. උත්තරයක් ලියන්න කලින් මම area එක දන්නේ නැහැ. Because the question seems to be from offer and acceptance. පස්සේ බලද්දී ඒක misrepresentation. Good God, where did I go wrong? These are all common questions. So these are common questions whether you are a business student or whether you are a law student. I can guarantee you. I've been a student, so I've been a lecturer for only a few years, but I've been a student throughout my life. And these are questions that came to my mind as well when we were doing our exams also. So fear not, I'll address each of these questions one by one.